Hi to everyone. Let's start learning English. I can see a pink bird. Open your books, page 52.
Page 52, Unit 9. I can see a pink bird. Exercise 1. Listen and point. Then say,
pink, black, orange, white.
Page 52, Unit 9. Exercise 2. Look and listen.
In the jungle, by the lake.
Taboo! Trumpet! Look! I can see a bird. A pink bird.
Trumpet! Look! A black bike! I can see a black bike!
And I can see an orange bike. Look! Trumpet! Look! I can see a bag. A white bag. Yum, yum!
Page 53, Unit 9. Exercise 4. Listen and circle.
I can see a pink bag. I can see a black bike. I can see a white bird. I can see an orange plane.
Homework. De Utopia. Students book exercise 6, page 53. Activity book, page 42 and 43. Bye bye. See you next time.